Welcome to another episode of our Photoshop tutorial series. In today's tutorial we're going to learn about the Photoshop 2024 update, so let's get started. The Object Selection tool is useful for automatically selecting object. Select the Object Selection tool. Hover the mouse pointer over an object in your image you like to select, then click to automatically select the object. Then you can click Generative Fill to remove it. The next update is Generative Expand. Select the Crop tool, then you're gonna come to the top and select Generative Expand. Then expand the image outward to where we want it. The next update is Remove tool. Select the Remove tool and then brush over an area you want to remove, or brush like a lasso to loop around an area to remove.